Have you noticed your legs getting a bit weaker lately? Maybe stairs feel harder than they used to, almost like you're climbing Mount Everest every time you lift your leg up. Or maybe your balance isn't quite what it once was. You're not alone, and no, this isn't just old age. There's something you can do about it, starting with what's on your plate. Leg strength isn't just about exercise. It's also about giving your body the fuel it needs to maintain strong, stable, powerful muscles. And for seniors, this is more important than ever. Weak legs don't just affect mobility, they increase the risk of falls, reduce independence, and affect quality of life in subtle but serious ways. But here's the good news. With the right foods, you can rebuild strength naturally, improve circulation, and give your muscles the nutrients they crave. In today's video, you're going to discover 9 everyday foods that help seniors rebuild leg strength using nothing more than nature's own medicine. Food. Number 1. Spinach, the leafy green that powers your muscles. Spinach may seem like a humble salad filler, but beneath those tender green leaves lies a powerhouse of nutrients your leg muscles are craving, especially as you age. This leafy green is packed with magnesium, which is crucial for muscle function and energy production. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can feel weak, shaky, or even cramp up during simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, or standing from a chair. Spinach is also rich in nitrotes, a natural compound that has been shown to improve blood flow to muscles. Why does this matter? Because better blood flow means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients when they need it most. That's especially important for older adults who might feel their legs tire more easily than they used to. But here's where spinach really shines. It helps reduce inflammation. As we age, chronic inflammation becomes a quiet enemy, stiffening joints, slowing recovery, and making everyday movement feel like a chore. Spinach contains antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein, all of which help cool that internal inflammation and give your legs a fighting chance. And if that wasn't enough, spinach is a rich source of vitamin K essential for strong bones. Your leg strength doesn't just depend on muscles, it's the bones beneath them that support your entire frame. Keeping them dense and resilient helps prevent the slow decline into frailty that so many fear. Make spinach a part of your daily routine. Toss it in smoothies, saute it with garlic, or stir it into soups. A daily handful might just mean the difference between struggling to walk or striding forward with power and confidence. Number 2. Salmon, the muscle-repairing, anti-inflammatory superfish. If you're looking for one food that supports muscle repair, joint comfort, and full-body vitality all at once, look no further than salmon. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein, something seniors desperately need more of as they age. Why? Because after 50, your body becomes less efficient at processing protein. That means you need more of it to maintain and rebuild muscle mass. And leg muscles, being the largest in your body, require plenty of it to stay strong and resilient. But protein is just the beginning. Salmon is a top-tier source of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These healthy fats are like a soothing balm for inflamed joints and tired muscles. They help reduce stiffness and pain, especially in the knees, hips, and ankles. If you've been waking up with sore, achy legs, or avoiding walks because your joints feel like rusted hinges, omega-3s can help loosen things up and get you moving again. Salmon also delivers a hearty dose of vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium absorption and supports muscle contraction. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who spend less time in the sun. A lack of this vitamin has been linked to reduced leg strength, balance issues, and even a greater risk of falls. What's more, the astaxanthin in salmon, a powerful antioxidant that gives it that pink-orange hue, helps reduce oxidative stress in your muscles, which can speed up recovery after exercise and daily activity. To get the most out of this superfish, aim for 2 servings a week. Grill it, bake it, flake it into a salad, whatever works for you. Your legs will thank you with every step. 3. Eggs, the perfect package of muscle-building fuel. Don't let their simplicity fool you. Eggs are one of nature's most complete foods, and they pack an incredible punch when it comes to supporting strong, capable legs. Each egg delivers around 6-7 grams of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair, grow, and function properly. For older adults who naturally lose muscle mass over time, a condition called sarcopenia, getting enough protein daily is absolutely crucial. And eggs are one of the easiest, most affordable ways to do it. But the benefits of eggs go far beyond protein. The yolks are a goldmine of nutrients like vitamin D, B12, choline, and selenium, all of which play unique roles in keeping your legs strong and mobile. Vitamin D, for instance, helps regulate muscle contractions. B12 supports nerve function, which is essential for muscle coordination and balance. Choline helps your brain communicate with your muscles. Without enough of these, simple tasks like walking across the room or standing up from a chair can start to feel shaky or unsteady. And let's not forget leucine, an amino acid found in abundance in eggs that acts as a powerful muscle-building trigger. Leucine tells your body, hey, it's time to grow and repair muscle tissue. That's especially important as you age, when your body doesn't respond to protein as strongly as it once did. Best of all, eggs are endlessly versatile. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or baked into muffins, they're an easy addition to any meal. And if you're worried about cholesterol, modern research shows that for most people, eating eggs daily doesn't negatively affect heart health. In fact, the benefits far outweigh the risks, especially when you're focused on keeping your legs strong and mobile for life. 4. Sweet potatoes. The energy-boosting, muscle-friendly carb. When it comes to giving your legs lasting energy and strength, sweet potatoes are a smart, delicious, and nutrient-rich choice. Unlike refined carbohydrates that spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling drained, sweet potatoes are complex carbs, meaning they release energy slowly and steadily. That's exactly what your muscles need for sustained strength throughout the day. Sweet potatoes are also a great source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in muscle contractions and preventing cramps. If your legs feel heavy, twitchy, or prone to spasms, a potassium deficiency could be partly to blame. This vibrant root vegetable helps restore the balance and keeps your muscles firing smoothly. But sweet potatoes go even further. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health and reduces inflammation in aging joints. That means less stiffness in your knees and hips and more fluid, pain-free movement. The fiber in sweet potatoes also feeds your gut microbiome, which scientists now believe plays a surprising role in muscle health and inflammation. A happy gut can lead to less inflammation, system-wide, helping your legs feel looser, lighter, and more energetic. One of the best things about sweet potatoes is how easy they are to prepare. Roast them with a sprinkle of cinnamon, mash them with olive oil, or cube them into hearty soups and stews. They're satisfying, delicious, and perfectly designed to fuel your muscles without bogging you down. If you're over 60 and trying to keep your legs strong and sturdy, sweet potatoes aren't just a comfort food, they're functional food, and they taste as good as they make you feel. 5. Greek yogurt. The gut-friendly, muscle-fueling wonder. Greek yogurt isn't just a creamy snack, it's a nutritional fortress for aging muscles, especially the powerful ones in your legs. What makes Greek yogurt stand out is its exceptional protein content. Just 1 cup delivers up to 20 grams of protein, far more than regular yogurt. That's key, because as we age, the body's ability to rebuild and maintain muscle declines, a process called anabolic resistance. To fight this, older adults need more high-quality protein, and Greek yogurt delivers it in a smooth, easily digestible form. But it's not just protein doing the heavy lifting here. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium and vitamin D, 2 nutrients essential for bone strength and balance. Strong bones provide the foundation that strong muscles work, one especially in weight-bearing areas like the legs, hips, and knees. Without enough calcium and vitamin D, leg strength can suffer, leading to wobbly steps, decreased mobility, and a higher risk of fractures. And let's not overlook the probiotics. Greek yogurt is alive with beneficial bacteria that support gut health, which is more important to muscle strength than many realize. Recent studies show a healthy gut microbiome is linked to lower inflammation, better nutrient absorption, and even improved muscle function. For seniors, Greek yogurt is a triple threat. It builds muscle, strengthens bones, and soothes the gut. Have it for breakfast with berries, as a mid-morning snack, or even as a savory dip. Your legs will gain the strength and balance you need to move through life with ease. 6. Lentils. The plant-powered protein that protects your legs. Tiny as they are, lentils are one of the most powerful plant-based foods for rebuilding leg strength, and they've been fueling warriors, laborers, and farmers for thousands of years. Rich in plant-based protein, lentils provide around 18 grams per cup, helping to maintain lean muscle mass in seniors without the heaviness of red meat. They also offer a wealth of iron, which supports the production of hemoglobin essential for carrying oxygen to your muscles. Oxygen-rich muscles are strong, stable, and far less prone to fatigue or injury. What's more, lentils are packed with folate, magnesium, and potassium, a trio of minerals that help support nerve function, muscle repair, and fluid balance. Magnesium, in particular, is a key player in muscle contraction. If your legs cramp often, or if you feel zapped of energy after walking, lentils may offer a natural remedy. But here's where lentils really shine for older adults. Fiber. 1 cup delivers more than half your daily need. Fiber doesn't just keep your digestion regular, it reduces chronic inflammation and improves blood sugar control, both of which support healthy muscles and joints. Inflammation is one of the silent culprits behind leg weakness and stiffness, especially in older age. Lentils work to calm that fire from the inside out. Best of all, lentils are budget-friendly, easy to cook, and endlessly versatile. Add them to soups, curries, stews, or even make them into patties. If you're looking for a leg-strengthening food that's as humble as it is heroic, lentils deserve a place on your plate. 7. Blueberries. The tiny fruit that rejuvenates muscles. They might be small, but blueberries pack a mighty punch when it comes to keeping your legs strong, your joints supple, and your muscles primed for action. Loaded with anthocyanins, the natural compounds that give blueberries their deep purple-blue color, these berries are potent inflammation fighters. They neutralize free radicals, protect cells from aging, and help reduce oxidative stress in your muscles. That's especially important for seniors, whose muscles take longer to recover and are more vulnerable to wear and tear. Studies have shown that older adults who regularly eat blueberries experience better muscle recovery and improved mobility. One 2011 study from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that regular blueberry consumption improved motor function and memory in older adults. In other words, better legs and a better brain. Blueberries also contain vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Collagen is crucial for maintaining healthy joints, tendons, and ligaments, everything that holds your legs together and lets you walk, bend, and balance smoothly. Even more impressive, blueberries have been linked to improved blood flow, particularly in aging blood vessels. Better circulation to the legs means more oxygen and nutrients reach the muscles, speeding up healing and enhancing endurance. Eat them fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. Snack on them, sprinkle them over Greek yogurt, or stir them into oatmeal. These tiny berries are one of nature's best tools for fighting leg decline and keeping you mobile into your golden years. 8. Beets, the circulation-boosting root for stronger legs. Beets are nature's circulatory booster, a ruby red root vegetable, long used by ancient civilizations to enhance stamina, reduce fatigue, and fortify the body. Beets are exceptionally high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This gas acts like a natural vasodilator, widening blood vessels and improving blood flow, especially to the legs. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your leg muscles during activity, resulting in better endurance, strength, and recovery. In fact, research has shown that drinking beetroot juice before physical activity can significantly improve performance and delay fatigue in older adults. Even a simple walk can feel easier and more fluid after a serving of beets. But that's not all. Beets are rich in folate, iron, and antioxidants like betalains, which help reduce inflammation and protect the muscles and connective tissues in your legs. T. His combination makes beets a secret weapon for seniors who want to stay active and avoid that slow, creeping loss of leg strength that comes with age. Beets also help lower blood pressure, support brain health, and promote detoxification fits that contribute to whole-body vitality and more energetic, coordinated movement. Roast them, blend them into smoothies, or slice them into salads. Beets aren't just beautiful, they're biologically designed to help your legs go the distance. 9. Almonds. The muscle-supporting, joint-protecting snack. Almonds might look like just a crunchy snack, but they're a leg-strengthening treasure trove packed into a small, satisfying package. One of their biggest strengths? Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative damage in your muscles. As you age, muscles become more prone to micro tears and inflammation, especially after movement. Vitamin E protects them from this damage, supporting faster recovery and stronger performance. Almonds also contain magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles contract and relax properly. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to twitching, cramps, or even persistent fatigue in the legs. Just a small handful of almonds daily can help restore that balance. But what really makes almonds stand out is their content of healthy fats, plant protein, and fiber. This trio keeps blood sugar stable, reduces inflammation, and helps feed your muscles the steady energy they need for daily activity. For seniors, that's the difference between a sluggish day or one where you feel strong, agile, and grounded. They also support joint health thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties. If you struggle with arthritis, joint stiffness, or leg soreness after walking or standing, almonds can be a subtle but effective support. Snack on them plain, add them to oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. Just be mindful of portions an ounce a day. Around 23 almonds is more than enough to reap the leg-strengthening rewards. A simple daily meal plan to boost leg strength. Now that you know the 9 powerful foods, let's pull it all together. Here's how a sample day might look if you want to build stronger legs, naturally. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with sautéed spinach, half a banana on the side, a cup of Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of almonds. Lunch: grilled salmon on a bed of mixed greens, roasted sweet potatoes, garlic vinaigrette dressing. Snack: a handful of almonds, coconut water or herbal tea. Dinner: lentil stew with carrots, garlic, and onions, a slice of whole grain bread, sliced fruit for dessert, like banana or berries. Optional evening snack: a spoonful of Greek yogurt with honey and cinnamon, or a small banana for potassium and to help prevent nighttime leg cramps. Remember, nutrition works best when it's consistent. Eating these foods once won't change everything overnight, but making them part of your daily routine will help strengthen your legs, protect your mobility, and improve your overall health one meal at a time. Final thoughts. If you're over 60, building leg strength naturally isn't just possible, it's essential. Your legs carry you through life. They help you stay active, independent, and full of energy. And while exercise matters, your results will always depend on the fuel you give your body. These 9 foods are your allies, nutrient-rich, time-tested, scientifically backed, and delicious. Add them to your plate every day, and you'll start noticing the difference not just in how your legs feel, but in how you live. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing for more natural health tips, and sharing it with a friend who could use a little leg strength boost. Your support helps us keep making helpful, health-filled content just for you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and until next time, take care of those legs. You're going to need them for many more years of adventure.